past couple days on top one. $9,000. I love the 8:30 trades. I really do. But it's also nice not having to rush. For real, for real. But it's smooth though. I found the sauce of taking a second trade of the day though. Second, third, fourth, fifth, however, whatever you want to do. You gotta size down, bro. It just don't make sense to just try to risk all them profits. Like I said, I made 550 on my first trade yesterday, and then lost 200. It made 220, and then made 170. Like that was smooth.
You talking about when you're already in profit?
Yeah. Like, that shit sound good, but that's to take you on that roller coaster of like trying to just max. Like, I'm trying to protect the downside. But what if? And the what if happened yesterday when I took a break of the daily low. I'm thinking that should do. I mean, I saw 17. Like I said, it's just, man, that should be moving so fast. You can't do nothing about it. Can't do nothing with it. There go to Tonio. Brandon didn't break the high, came back down, make a low. Take your 30. Let us be in it though. Let us be in it. Brandon's starting to get a little disciplined. Who is this? It's crazy. Bruh, so sweet, bro. Oh, damn sweet. Man. Little wake up, break of the low, no bottom wick. Roger, you feeling above 1K today?
Possible.
Morning.
Morning.
There you go.
Damn, he back. He back, man. Back from the dead like the Undertaker.
No. Just taking a break.
Doing
a little vacation.
Don't you worry, sir. You back active or you just watching today?
No, I'm in there. I'm about to go.
Gotcha.
Logging in now.
Gotcha. For all those on YouTube, a lot of us trade on top one futures. And if you are interested in trading on top one futures as well, I have an affiliate code with Trading Homes, code Trading Homes, and it will give you 55% off all challenges and instant funding accounts as opposed to the 50% that they offer. So, like I said, save that little $30, $40, $50. Why not? Why not? We're going to see. I'm about to go ahead and do the breakdown. And I mean, it's simple shit. But we've been falling, thankfully, out of these all-time highs up here. And we starting to correct a little bit. This crazy push since August, really. Once it broke above these resistances over here, it was off to the races. But I remember when we kept falling down every time we got up here. Every time. But man, when it broke above and closed above on this day, September 1st, man, it was off to the races. But like I said, we're coming kind of correcting. So right now, we kind of came into this little support area over here. And once again, I'm still on a daily time frame. And the daily is a good indicator of the overall direction that you expect it to go. But you really can mark up your zones based off of the 1 hour and the 30-minute candle. So, I mean, I can see right here that there is a resistance right there. So I simply just drag this line right here. And I'm waiting for a closure above this resistance. As far as sells, I'm waiting on sales likely below this support. So resistance, support, floor, and the ceiling. Right now, we're just kind of hanging out in a no trade range, like we often do to start the stream. But I would say that this is a no trade range. You got the prices bouncing. But when you get a closure above or a closure below, it should be good to come on down to the next ranges. So how do I identify the next ranges, next supports, next resistance, etc.? So what I usually do is I mark my zones, my next zones, my target zones based off of the time frame that I'm on. So the 1 hour right now. And then I'll say that this could be a good potential target area, a wick fill. And then long targets can be up here into these resistances. So you see I got stopped here, stopped here, stopped here. This is a support, this is a support. It obviously is not a problem area, but an area where there could be some stoppage. That's just simply a target for me. Same as the way on the case down. Looking for sales below and maybe targeting these wicks right here. And then long targets, we'll just use like this. And then I just go double confirm on the 30-minute time frame that everything is remaining the same. So right here, if I got a closure under here, it still would be good to take it down right here, 55 pips, 56 pips. And a closure above here on a simple wick fill would be 60, 70 pips. So we'll see. Right now, like I said, right now we just kind of bouncing back and forth. But once we break out one way or the other, I anticipate it being a pretty good move. And if you go to the 1 hour, you'll see like it ain't really done anything. It came down, it came up. So right now we just chilling. But yep. So like I said, this is top 1 futures, and I have a promotion code with them that will get you 55% off of all challenges. And definitely tap in on that. Boom. And being that this is on YouTube, if you ever need to rewind, replay, anything of that nature, you can. Or if you need to watch it later, you can. But I say the best way to learn is to do. So all you want to do is really come here and just try to identify support and resistance levels. You could use this as your support level, but I'm looking at this because if it closes under here, you can actually use this as a target. So it's a lot of different ways to go about it. It's not right and wrong. It's kind of what makes sense to you. And honestly, like this is a little far away from where we are right now. I'm kind of looking as well if it kind of closes back under here. Because if it closed under here, the same way I'm looking for a closure under here to go right there, the same way I can be looking for a closure under there to kind of come down into here. There's a lot of ways to go about it. There's definitely a lot of ways to go about it. So we'll see. We'll see what happened every other time this candle closed back under this resistance. Boom, 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 boom. It held it right here, went up. So looking for a simple closure under it. We'll see. We'll see. We will see. I got the 5-minute candle over here, and I got this chart over here, so I can see how these 5-minute candles are moving and whatnot. So that's this candle right here is the one that was starting down here, but now I'm starting to flip up on a 15. But if a 15-minute candle closes under here, or a 30-minute candle closes under here, it should be good. But the price action right now says that this could just be a closure above and a retest of this resistance right here to continue up. So like I said, I'm open to either idea or all ideas. Buy above here, sell below here, or sell below here. And Brandon, it's that move we talking about. If you buy perfectly off of resistances, you saw what, 15, 16 pips of drawdown, but you up 30 plus. So it makes sense when it makes sense. You just kind of gotta know when to cut it. You can't be scared. And then at that point, you'd be trading lower lot sizes anyway. Like if you were trading a 1 on that, and and you saw minus 160, like, you ain't really tripping about that, because on the flip up, you up 320. So gotta make sense. Gotta make sense. But those on the YouTube, please like and subscribe. Up to 408 subscribers. Dang, I get like 3-4 a day. 3-4 a day. I'm gonna look up and have 500 soon. Let's keep it rolling. Looks like a 15-minute candle is about to close in 1 minute and 32 seconds. We'll see. All right, Roger, we may get this flip up. Let's see. Go ahead, Brandon. Try to squeeze that little 15 out. I mean, after it grabbed all this, all right, good to go.
Nonetheless, about to close in a minute.
I'm talking about like this. Brandon was looking at the 15-minute. If you only looking at the 15-minute, you would look at this and say it's good to go up for 35, 40, which it should, and I want it to. But I'm looking at the 30-minute resistance that's sitting right here. So, damn, this was a good ass move. This happened at 4 a.m. This is kind of what happened yesterday on, let's see, this. Yeah, this candle right here, where you had a weak little bearish closure, enter on the break of this low, coming right down to this support. So this is the same thing that happened at 4 a.m. You got all these orders up here, gave a slight little wick up, bottom fell out. That's what I like to see. A little nice 20 pip top. 15-minute just closed bearish, nasty. Still in the range, Likely not doing shit until 9 in the morning.
Yep. 9:15, 9:30.
What's new? Y'all better know it. I better know it. I just be on my phone, bro. Be on my phone. Because now this closed above respecting, but it closed bearish. So this came down. This could potentially flip up, but then you got a resistance right here. So rather than me guess, I'm gonna just go chill on this 30-minute time frame. I get a wick up at 9. I'll enter on the rebreak of this low, taking it down into these supports right here. And I don't know if I'm gonna call it a day, but we'll definitely see. We'll definitely see.
Hope I can get a 1 for 40.
What did you say?
Hope I can get a 1 for 40.
That's what I'm aiming for. That's definitely what I'm aiming for. I got my accounts. I'm looking at my copier over here, and I can make 1645 in a day without messing up my consistency. So I have my personal account trading 2s, and my copy account trading 4s. So if I can get a 4 for 40, man, that would be perfect. That would be perfect.
Really want some sales, man.
Yeah, we done. We're so high on the day. It'd be nice if we could start. If this could be our top weight, and we could be coming down, because we did, albeit small, close below the daily right here. It was tight, but we did. So this could just be a top wick to continue down. So that's what I prefer, rather than trying to buy all up here and shit, trying to squeeze this. Just take advantage of all this. 9 minutes, 29 seconds. Last thing I wanted to do was close like right here or something. I need this to close. It'd be nice if it can just like come all the way down here and leave this left. Because this is the 1 hour flip right here. And if the 1 hour close is bullish. Yeah. But looking like you want to keep respecting it though, man. Definitely see.
I got 2 trades in me.
Until it's time for some micros.
You said until it's time for micros?
Then you be moving the goalposts again. You got 2 high leverage trades in them.
Yeah, let me say that. Man, come on, man.
We need to do something better than this. This is about right. Once again, Brandon, touch it again. You can play this same move over and over. Come down, buy it. Come down, buy it. About to re-break the 15-minute huddle right now. We're close to it. If you want to do it, Roger, what's the word? Just go ahead and do it.
Yeah.
Closing above here. That shit's ran. Closure above. Retest of this area. It go on up. I said this is too tight for me as far as like a range I would try to be trying to take advantage of, especially with only 7 minutes left in the 1 hour candle. But I do want it to go ahead and blast through all this. I want it to close like up here, honestly. So if it does that, that would be great. So somebody that entered on the break of that high would have been in right now. Looking at minus 15, not a big deal. But your technical stop loss really under here for 70. It already done moved up 70 from the bottom. So if you have a technical stop loss of 70 and a technical range of only 20, that don't seem like that makes sense. But if I get a closure above here, get a retest or a wick down to give me somewhat of a stop loss, I'm targeting these wicks. So resistance. That's the next area that's gonna be targeted. Same way, resistance. And this ain't even a resistance right here, more so like over here. So this is good. This is a good thing. I want us to do this. If it can close above here at 9, which would be a closure above on the 1 hour and the 30-minute, I would anticipate that we should go ahead and start making our way up. I just don't really love buying at the damn near high of the day, low of the day, stuff like that, but it's all good. This 5-minute candle done. Oh, this ass. From right here, in one 5-minute candle, that was just a straight 70 pip push up, 5 minutes. You never call it, man. Never call it. Just gotta be careful. You calling 9:15, 9:30, Roger? That's what you thinking right now? Or are you thinking it could be a 9?
Could be a 9. Yeah, I want to be a 9. In and out.
Me too. I want it to be a straight 9 a.m. push up for about 30 to 40 real fast. I'm talking about 35 seconds, 30 pips. That's what I want. We'll see. Come on, keep pushing. I hear Tonio right now is playing around. Let's see. I'm gonna break it out high. How many would you be up right now? Ruler. You'd have seen about 17 ish. Probably with the spread a little less. And what's the rule of thumb now, Roger? If we get up 15, 20, stop loss gotta go to break even, bro. It has to. If you just trying to get 25, 30, right? You can't let 15, 20 turn. Well, 15 comes fast. I ain't gonna say 15, but like 20, 21, 22, man, you cannot let that turn to a loss. If you don't even take profit, you gotta at least go stop loss to break even. A lot of times, price will get to 20, 25 and then start playing around. So you just kind of got to understand, like, if I'm going to settle, quote unquote, settle for my 2025, I can't care if it runs 50, 60. But if you're trying to get 30, 40, 50, 60, you got to protect the downside of if price does pull back.
Come on now, get up there.
I don't like this closure. don't like this closure. See, that little last range. Kind of squeeze something out of it. I would have slipped my entry knowing it. I've seen about 12, 13, 14. Now looking at negative 15. Sad. And now I'm like, shit, gotta hold it now. Oh, it just slipped on me. Damn. Gotta cut it now. Positive 13, 14, 15. Turn to negative 25. Sad by 9 a.m. Sad. Those on YouTube, what positions y'all looking for? What y'all looking for? What we looking at? Damn, Roger, you know what's the crazy part? Since it's about to close, and the next closure is gonna be 9:15, you probably waiting on the closure above here now. Since it's the 15-minute candle. And that is 60 pips. But if a 9:30 candle closes above the original right here, then I would trust it. But this is horrible. You don't know if it's going up or down. I'm still thinking that if this 30-minute candle closes like this and a 15 closes back under here, bro, it might come on down, honestly. We done came up close to this resistance up here. We closing nasty like this. You got the 1 hour that's closing above. So the 1 hour might come down and then come up and fill this. That's a possibility. But once again, that's not my A+ setup that I'm trying to take right now. Oh. This is a smooth little song to me too. Nigel, you on a computer right now? Like, can you set it up right now, or you need to do it later? Because I see you typing. Just hit me either on the text. I got you. It ain't hard. Literally, I just use my horizontal lines like this, move them up and down, and then change the color to whatever color you want to change them to. That's all it is. I got you. Whenever. I use the same 3 lines every day, and I might add a blue one every now and then if I see a zone that I didn't have originally. Like, for example, this is the real resistance. This is the real support. But if I see somewhere I'm like, oh, well, shit, if they'll close under here, I'll still take that. So then I'll come over here and just go like a little horizontal array and say, if I get a closure under there, boom, boom, I'm good to take it on down. So, but yeah, overall, I use my same line. That goes to everybody. Move them up, move them down. Yeah. And in the group, there's a video as well on how to navigate top 1 futures. Project X. But yeah, keep asking questions. And Roger, I pulled my Tradeify accounts out the goddamn gutter, bro. I gotta finish the drill. Cause man, it was nasty just a week and a half ago. But God, that's it.
No,
but God. I got 38.12, 32.50, 32.50, 38.92, 32.50. I need to get these to $8,220, something like that. So, but with the lot size that I trade on these accounts, like that's 2, 3, 4 days. It's like 3, 4 days. But no loss. We'll see. We're definitely gonna see. But bro, just know these was like a grade or 2 away from blown. Blown out of there. Sad.
I'm steady gonna win the race.
Hey, bro, I had to make like 17K. Like 16, 17K before losing one or two. So it ain't over yet, but that just goes to show you gotta grind it out. You gotta grind it out. And what's so ass is my Lucid Trade account, it has some hidden rule where it automatically auto-liquidated me. So I lost those accounts. Or sorry, I lost the drawdown for the day on the drawdown of a trade, and I wound up hitting for profits on these accounts. And I'm like, why the hell am I down all that money on the Lucid account? Man, I hit a hidden rule, bro. Oh, them bitches good as gone, except for one. Oh, whatever. It's all good. I still got 18 accounts. 18 accounts, up like 2% on my, what are the funding 6 accounts? So I have 6 of those accounts. I got to get to 3,000. Once I get to the 3,000, I can withdraw 2,000 from each of those. So that'll be 12. Then when I get to these again, that'll be another 15. And I got my personal. I made 3 from that over the last week. So it's rolling. It's rolling. Just had to get out of that nasty spell, bro. Everything I touched turned to dirt. Like I said, I was never mad. I was like, bro, it's just crazy. It just was crazy. It was the same trades I said every day. Like, for example, this was at like 7,300 like 2 days ago, bro. But I had to turn it up, turn it on. Had to turn it on. Yeah, 400, 330, minus 290, 310, 20, 210, 140, 170, 100, 170, 320, minus 200, 220, 170. Just ripping them off, bro. Ripping them off. That 400 started it off. We'll see what we can do. And that's just on ones, because I can't trade number one. If I make 400, that's 40 pips. If I make 320, that's 32. If I lose 200, that's 40. 5 minute no top wick. Let's see if we can get a closure back under here, bro. I would love that in the next 9 minutes. I really would. I really would.
That don't look like a bad entry either.
What? This one that just happened?
Nah, you talking about a sell under there, right?
Sell under here?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, that don't look bad.
Yeah, because it just rejected twice. So if it closes under what just rejected twice, back under this resistance, back under this resistance, back under this resistance, I anticipate that it can at least come down into, I mean, shit, right? It done fell this far every time. So why is it all of a sudden not going to do it now? And what I say, I just want 30-40, bro. I just want 30-40. So if it closed like down here, that's a 75 pip range. You can't tell me I can't get 30-35 of that, bro. You just can't tell me that. It just depends on if you want to go or if it's going to make you wait a little bit. But like I said, I'll be right back. All right. What we doing? Roger, give me the signal, man. 2 minutes.
I would prefer to close at that 39.91 area.
Yep.
It look like it's going to.
Might. It only got 2 minutes. I really want a closure above here. 33.92 actually. If I'm using the 15 minute. Got 1 minute, 35 seconds. It's not bad if you try to take it, but you just got a resistance right here on the 15 minute. That took a lot. That came all the way up here. It broke this high. You had to come all the way down here. That's why I be saying, bro, like the real stop losses aren't. It's down here. So like, even though you went in profit for about 15 and came down for a negative 43, negative 45, it never got really close to the stop. But you doing all that to get 25 a little bit, 20 a little bit. And it's rejecting off of this 30-minute resistance right there. Looks like 9:30. I wish I could play real music without getting copyrighted. Probably can. I ain't monetizing nothing. But I think that it'll like either delete the stream or like mute that part of the stream. One of the two. Let me see. I'm gonna Google.
I think you can play music that's already on YouTube. You just have to say fair use.
You have to do what?
You have to just say fair use, like claim fair use. But I think you can play stuff that's already on YouTube.
Yeah, like I'll be using this little audio library right over here, but I want to play like music.
Yeah.
So I don't know. I might try it out one day. Just to see
Yeah,
if
it's on YouTube. You're probably good.
Yeah. I be using this because it's like they let you use this, but I don't know if this is copyrighted or not.
Yeah. I'm trading on this Ignite account today. We're gonna see what it's talking about.
Mm-hmm. I like the prices on the Midnight account.
There you go.
I like the price on the Midnight account. Sure. To burn time while we're here, I'm gonna go ahead and talk about what we talking about. So those on the YouTube chat and those in our chat, a lot of us, like I said, use Top One Futures. They have instant sim-funded accounts, which are 25, 50, 100, 150. You got to make 6% before losing 4%. So not too bad. It sounds crazy coming from the Forex days of you had to make 10 before losing 10, but now you got to make like 6 before losing 4. So it just kind of emphasizes risk management and risk management, just kind of keeping your losses small. At the same token, you can't make more than 20% in a day of the profit target, or else you're gonna mess up your consistency. So, for example, if I have a 50K account and I'm trying to make 3,000, it don't make sense for me to make over $600 in a day because that is my 3,000 times 0.20. Now, as far as the Ignite accounts, I like these. I think it's the same targets if I'm not mistaken, 3,000 and 2,000. Or it might even be 2,500 and 2,000. I would have to go look. But you have a daily loss limit on these, so they don't want you to just blow the whole account, which is understandable. And you have a smaller consistency. So whatever the profit target is, you want to multiply that by times 0.15. And that's the max you should be looking to make in a day. So let's see. Really ask. What is the profit target for 50K Ignite instant accounts? So okay, so 2,500. It's 2,500, which is smooth. Which is smooth. And once again, this is a low barrier to entry. I mean, it's 179 bucks, 249 bucks, or 99 bucks to get started. What I always say is you got to learn before you earn anyway. So this is just a low barrier to entry way to go ahead and get going. Because rather than putting your own little $99 into a broker and making $1, $2, $3 a day, or over risking and making 10, 20, or losing 10, 20 per trade, you can just come and get one of these for 99, 179, or 249 and get rolling like that. So I fuck with it. I definitely fuck with it. This is new. Let me see what it's hitting on. Let me see if I can add it to my playlist. Let's see. Use my code Trading Homes and they give you the same discount on these Ignite IF accounts. But if you want to use the instant funded accounts or regular ones, I think it actually gives you more than that they usually give. So let's see. Yep, 291, which is more than 50% off, obviously, of 648. Yep. So with their code, 50% off, 324. My code, 50% off, 290 on a 50K account. And obviously it increases more and more as you go up in account sizes. So 100K account, same deal. Be $798 without a code, but with using mine, it would be $359, and with theirs, it would be $399. That's all I always say. Save that little $40. Why not? Definitely save it. I'm gonna add that. I like that little song. Okay. What we doing? Okay, we got 920. If I get a 30-minute candle closing above here, I won't worry about this 15-minute resistance. But what's interesting though, Roger and Brandon and everybody else that's been watching, if you got like a candle closing bearish out of here, out of rejecting out of these resistances, man, that should be looking good to come down. It's just like, is it gonna run for real? Let's say it closed just like this with a little bit of a wick up and then broke this low at 930. You would anticipate that it can come on down into here now. Will it? Will it? At this point, man, I want that bitch closed way down here. I really do. I would be less worrisome if I were to be closing like this as opposed to stay the hell up here. But it's okay. We're getting real close to the daily highs to sell off of. So
30 gonna do what it need to do.
I think so. Either way. So I'm gonna go ahead and delete. I ain't gonna delete it. I'm gonna have it just so I can keep it. So this blue line is my 15-minute resistance, y'all. 15-minute resistance. This purple line is my 30-minute resistance. So I'm really only really worried ain't the word, but really only like thinking about the 30-minute resistance since this is about to be the candle that closes, but we'll see. We'll see. Damn, they got a lot of new songs on here. I ain't updated in a minute.
Probably gonna close above the 15 too.
I hope so. Man. I would love that. I would love that. Come on, keep pushing. Last do all that. I don't care if it can close up here for all I care, bro. I just wanted to close above. There's so much range. Like I said, I have these here just because that would have been my first target on the closure above at like 9. But bro, the real targets is like this. There's nothing in the way. nothing in the way. So if I were to look just like this, I don't see a resistance until right here. So that's all I'm doing is looking for clean candles. But if it start rejecting this, goes in bearish again after coming up near the highs, I'd be trying to sell. We'll see. I'm still reading over here. They saying unauthorized use of copyrighted music on YouTube live streams carries significant repercussions on YouTube. This can result in immediate live stream termination. And it says if your live stream stops, check your YouTube Studio dashboard for strikes. They don't want to see me be great. I just want to listen to some good music. Roger, I don't know why, but I'm feeling a smooth little 30-40 today, man. I am.
You gonna hold it that long?
That shouldn't be long. That ain't that crazy. It's crazy how this candle, 1 5-minute candle, 70. So by God, let me try to get 30, 35. Hell, even this little candle I can tell went up for 30, 35 or more. Bruh, 50. This candle. So, yes, to answer your question, I'm going to hold it, quote unquote, that long. I just needed to act right. So, like I said, I'm going to totally act like this 15-minute resistance ain't here in a minute. I just would love to, it would give me more confidence if it even closed above that. But it's 5 minutes until this closure. So, if it can go ahead and do what it do, that make me very, very, very happy. Come on, man. Stay, what you say? Stay right there and leave a wick. So like actually push up a little bit more and leave a wick. Next candle comes down, retest this 30-minute resistance right here. Entry on the break of this high. 4 minutes, 23 seconds. I don't love buying at the highs and all that shit, but man, clean your range is clean your range. And Roger, another thing. 9:30. Yeah, at 9:30. And another thing, if you get there, that's already 25. Man, if it break this high, it should go 45, 50. Mm-hmm. Come on, man.
I go 40, probably put my stop loss to 20.
Hello?
Take some profit.
Man, it do feel good when it just hit that 40 though. I ain't gonna lie. Like I said, I done hit a couple lately, bro. Let's see, 40, 33, 31. Yeah, so it'd be straight. It'd be straight for real. It'd be straight. The consistent winners, you can't beat them, but at 9:30, bro, I need that volume to take me to the promised land. I truly think, I don't know when it's gonna do it, but I think it's gonna fill this whole thing out, honestly. I'm just not here for that. I don't need that whole move. I'm trying to come in second place. So let's see, Morgan, we back again. How many different support levels do you mark? Using market so many levels. Not so many levels, it's resistance. So, I mean, like I was saying earlier, you might have missed it. My lines are really just support resistance lines. Then first target, long target, first target, long target. But when I see something else that I'm looking at, I might move a line and say, oh, okay, I see a 15-minute resistance right here. Oh, okay, cool. That's really it. And then I said this was just my first target from earlier. But realistically, we shouldn't have no problem coming all the way the hell up here. So all I'm looking for right now, truthfully, is a closure above and a top wick to be left. And this is what we be talking about, Roger. You know how we be sometimes, yeah, like say we'd have entered on that break of that high, and like it looked good that it played out now, but folks don't really know that it came down for minus 47 on this pullback right here. So it's like, and we be seeing it run off afterwards. And that's why I be like, man, you real like the real way of trading, quote unquote, man, you should be able to sit in all this, no thoughts behind it. But man, that prop trading with using them high ass lots, it's like, man, sit in 47 if you want to.
Like you gotta go micros, man.
Yeah, I mean, you can. You definitely can. Like if you're using like 3, 4, 5 micros, bro, we getting close to the daily highs. I want to stay right here though. I think 1 minute. I really don't want that shit to jump too fast though, because got that stupid ass 10-second rule. So it will look something like this. But how deep is it gonna come down and retest now? There we go. 45 seconds. The technical stop could be under here under the 15-minute candle, like I always be saying. That's 75 pips. I can't use that personally. This candle is closing above all the resistances to the left. So unless it just has a crazy pullback in the last 20 seconds, we should be good to come on up and fill out most of this range. $39.95.4. Perfect. Opening. 35.95.4. You can use the current candle or you can use the previous candle. I'm gonna use the previous candle and just anticipate that if it re-breaks this high during a time of volume, we should be good to go on up. It's a little overextended for where I would like, but it's all good though. Using this low as a technical stop, wherever that may be. So let's see. Oh. Come on now. If it get me in, don't do no dumb shit.
Order
Stop
filled.
filled.
All right, I'm in it. Ooh. Come on now. Come on now. Push up. Push up, push up, push up. What we doing, Roger? What we doing? What we doing? Gotta be
This
quick.
ain't got me in yet.
Ooh. Gotta be quick with this exit if it come back down to get me. Let's see, 2. I'm only down like 18. Oop, nope.
Order filled.
Cut it.
Order
Hell
filled.
no. Nope, nope, nope. Not doing it. 30. Damn. Let's see. Oh. 15. That's not terrible. Still just annoying though.
Why don't you
See,
just
here it
go?
go. That's it, bro. That's it. And it probably gonna come down now. Let's see. What is it? 30. And if I enter now, it's probably gonna be on the re-break of the daily high. Like I said, I hardly saw anything, and this could just be coming down to grab a larger bottom wick, which is fine. But I probably would just re-enter on like the break of the not current, but the break of the daily after it just grabbed orders again. Let's see. If anything, I'll wait on 945 on a sell back under here. But I anticipated that when it closed above right there, that after it broke that high, it was going to come on up and build this range. Like I said, I cut minus 28. That's so lame. That's
Like, it be wanting to go, but it just.
I'm telling you. Let's see, because the daily high is 39.97. So if I took another entry on a buy right now, it'd be 39.97, but it would have to get back up there though. And then you don't got no technical stop. So like I said, I'm gonna be cool just to not try to, get it all back right now. Let me reset my bot. It's so annoying though, because I'm gonna reset it. But on the break of the daily high now, that's so annoying, bro. I hate that shit when that happens. I'm gonna set it just because I still like the move to go up. I mean, my entry was up here, and this could just be coming down and grab it perfectly from down here. So annoying, but it's all good.
Hey, bro, if it don't go straight into profit after reaching the daily high, I'm gonna cut that.
I'm telling you. Come on now.
Go.
That's it. That's it. But yeah, just all it did was come down to perfectly retest and tap this resistance right here. That's all. I mean, it's just all about how you want to trade, bro. Really. Like I said, I saw minus 28, and even that was too many. It just happened so fast. I had to cut it there. But did you have a minus 20 automatically?
Who, me?
Yeah.
You talking about like on my wrist thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, minus 30.
Oh, minus 30. Yeah, I had the same minus 30. So, we'll see. You line up, you just gonna bite into the loss. What you thinking?
It didn't even get me in.
On that last trade?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, lucky you. I had a break of this high. I had a break of that high right there. So we'll see. For a sell, I would need a closure back under here on a 15-minute candle. And on a buy, I ain't gonna re-enter right here, even though it wouldn't be a bad entry to re-enter right there. But rather than trying to save those little 15 pips, I'll probably just wait. 35. Oh, is that what happened, Brandon?
Oh, bro.
Oh, my shit got moved. I got slipped too. Oh, that's what happened. Yeah, I got slipped too. Because my entry over here was 39.95.2. And then on my personal, it was 39.95.5. Yeah, 4. No, it wasn't much, but it was 2. But all good, all good. Like I said, I'm not even lining up, bro. I ain't trying to turn it into no crazy trying to get that game. Like, it is
what? Oh, that line, no, I'm trying to get away from that.
Bruh. Because it just turned in double nasty. Like, I know I can get what I just lost back in one trade. And if I lose another trade, I know I can get that back in 2 trades. Or, you know what I'm saying? Like, hey, bro, that lining up shit. It's cool when you really trust it.
Mm-hmm.
And I trust it. I definitely do. I definitely do. Definitely do.
Or like if volume is really there.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. But like that's like, and then we trading across all these different props. That's how you begin like, not even consistency messed up, but like you don't realize how much you got on the table.
I was seeing a post that said Wednesdays be a lot of fake outs, and I'm seeing it now.
Sure respecting this little resistance though. I'll take a smooth little 50. If it breaks that high though, bro, I should go ahead and go. With the way like it just came down and grabbed these orders again. And almost a perfect retest on the 30-minute. Like, or shit, a perfect retest on the 30-minute. So we'll see. So back near my entry. I ain't sitting in all that drawdown, bro. Like, That's my only thing. That'd be me sending 57 pips of drawdown. Ugh. All right, let's see what it's gonna do on the re-break. It's 20-ish pips away from a daily high. And like you said, remember, I'm trying to see straight green. Straight green. And then I want to see 50. I'll take 40 though.
In over 10 seconds though.
Bruh. What is it trying to do? If it keeps respecting that low, it's making me think it want to go up. But if it does end up actually closing back below, I'm gonna think it's going down.
Mm-hmm.
So I like both. But if it does break this high, ain't nothing in the way until right up into here, which is 40 pips away. I'm just respecting it, bro.
Come on now, what you trying to do?
Bounce back and forth. New 5-minute candle just open. Bearish. Previous 5.
Damn, if it closed under, I really like that better.
I'm telling you, bro. I'm looking right over here. But if it goes like this, if it goes above respecting, I still like it to go up. Do you have your entry on the break of the current candle high or the previous, or sorry, the daily?
Daily.
Depends on how that. I would love to steal these extra few pips, but like I said, it's just 15. Like it ain't that many. But I
But
sure
like
would
you do
love.
the current and then goes hit that day and just go back down.
Sometimes, then that's why I be saying I like using the daily break as the last push rather than using that as the entry. Look at that. Man, listen.
Yep.
Come on down then. All right, I'm gonna delete this for now since we just kind of far from it. We almost 90%. So, boom, boom, and we'll see if this can go ahead and close under in the next 3 minutes and 21 seconds. After getting real close to the highs up here and starting to reject out of it. So what we say? I need this to stay right here. Antonio move. What'll be happening at 9, or what'll be happening sometime that bitch plummet down.
Stay right there, give me a wake up, come on down.
Exactly.
Oh my God.
Hey, right there. This is where we wanted to be. Wake up closure under here, bro, you got nothing in the way until right there. But it should really not even stop right there. Like, why would it randomly just stop at a 15-minute support when the 30-minute, 1 hour, every time frame is clean and it's rejecting out of there? It might be good to go, bro. Damn, this type shit that be making me want to lot up. But I gotta protect the downside, though. I always gotta protect the downside.
Trust me, I want to take a 2 so damn bad.
Bruh, I do. I know, bruh. Because at that point, you don't even need 40, 50. You can get like 25, 30. But if that shit start going against you, you fucking sweating for nothing. That'd be my only thing. I'd be like, I ain't trying to put all that risk on the table right now, especially when this week been smooth sailing. I just want to keep it cool, bro. Like that's it. So yeah, I lost 27, but make 40, get it right back on the same lot size. I think there's so much room to go. Like I'm not even worried about this, but if you want to close back under here, it can. Under there. I would appreciate if it would actually leave a bit of room to right there. Like I ain't really worried about it just based off of like the 4 hour not breaking the high, the 1 hour about to re-break its own low, 30-minute. Like this shit, this is gonna be a good move, especially if it can come back and re-break this low. Let's see what type of wick this is. Like I said, I'm not really worried about this support right there. I don't know if that's a good idea, but I'm not. Let's see. I'm wondering if it's a good entry on the break of this. Okay, yeah. Let me set that sell stop on the break of that low right there. Anticipating that if it come down and re-break that low, I'm not really worried about that. We should get a break of this low, break of this. It's coming quick. You either got to use this current high, which is about 30 anyway. Yeah, that's about right. Or you got to just wait to see how a 15-minute candle closes. I want 50, bro. Is that too much to ask for? This should come all the way down, especially if this 1 hour candle flips back down. Because that's all that 15-minute, that's all this little line is. So let's see, 3985.5. $30 pips. If I lose that, it might have to be my day. Roger, no. Come on now, flip on down and just continue to run. I'm gonna cue the music a little too early. All good.
Respecting that support, ain't it?
What support are you looking at? This 15 right here?
Yeah.
Or the 5?
The 15.
It ain't made it yet. It ain't made it down into there yet. I think it's gonna blast past this with 930 volume, quite honestly. But we'll see. We'll definitely see.
Order filled.
All right, I'm in.
Stop filled.
Already up 7. All right. What in the world? What happened? Bruh. 22. Bro.
Stop loss.
What in the world happened? Oh, shit.
Order filled.
What in the world happened over here? Bruh, my trade of just messed up. Are you stop loss and break even, Roger?
Nah, not yet.
Bro, my trade of just started acting up. I think I seen like 20, 25. Man, that's so lame. 25, 26. All right, I'm going stops to break even. Now, 1 hour candle just flipped. Damn, bro. My thing just messed up on me. 26, 27, 31, 32. Okay. Damn. What just happened on my trade debate? I just took home 29. It slipped me on the exit, but bro, what happened over here? I'm annoyed by that. My thing completely froze on me. And I just had to get out because I couldn't see nothing. It just froze all together. That's so lame. Roger, you still holding?
Nah, damn, I want to
What'd you cut at?
like 16.
Why you get scared? Man, my trade debate just messed me up, bruh. I'm annoyed by that. Are you kidding me? It froze on me completely. I couldn't see anything. And then the 1 hour is flipping, like I said. That's so annoying, bro. I'm gonna have to see what this 5-minute candle's talking about. Oh my gosh, that's annoying. And I said it, bro. I said it. 50. 45, 50. That's so annoying. I'm so annoyed by that. There's still room to go, which is what's the funny part about it. There's plenty of room to go. I don't expect this to stop until this support down here. Damn. Don't do me dirty like that. That's 50. Let's see. I may take another entry here on the 5-minute. I know Brandon holding. Let's see. I'm not worried about 5-minute supports, to be honest. Damn. I'm annoyed by that, y'all. Damn. Bro, my thing rose on me completely. Is there any 15-minute support? Not really, bro. Like this should continue to come down.
That was gonna be my next question. What's your support? You're looking at 15 and 30s?
Mostly, yes.
Gotcha.
Mostly, yeah. That's what I'm hanging out on, honestly. Damn, I'm annoyed by that. Okay, I got another entry on the re-break of this because this is where I had a 15-minute resistance right there. So I'm going down to the 5-minute time frames at this point, y'all. And I'm not revenge trading or nothing, but damn, that is annoying. I will say I made 7 pips over here because my whole platform froze on me completely. I woulda, coulda, shoulda made like 30. The same way I made 30 over here.
Order stop filled.
I'm in again. If it starts pulling back on me, I'll just cut it. Come on now. Not looking for the gusto or nothing like that. Like I said, if it just starts pulling back on me bad, I'll cut it off. Oop, there we go.
Order filled.
All right, so I cut that. It's all good. It's all good. I'm just trying to get back to where I should have been. That's so annoying, bruh. I cannot believe that happened to me. It's all good, though. And then I could have cut that early just because it could be just making a top wick and still continue down. But the one trade I did take that shoulda, woulda, coulda been was for freaking 290, man. That's annoying. And there it goes again. It's probably about to flip back down and re-break its own low. So it's like kind of platform error, kind of user error. I don't know. But like I said, I don't want to revenge it or nothing like that and make it worse than it should be. So, yup. So, Roger, you catch it? You done for today? What you looking at?
I hit my I'm down 100 though.
You say you down? Oh yeah. Yeah, that's annoying, bro. That's so annoying. So annoying.
I feel like it's gonna break it and go down.
I think so too. The only thing it's hanging out at right now is this little 15-minute support right there, or resistance right there. But other than that, it should be good. Damn, that's annoying, man. I'm so annoyed by that. All good though. And like Daryl said, got the 50. Just put that stop loss. I couldn't see anything. I wish I could have recorded. I should have recorded that or something. Been like, bruh, it was just frozen. It was just completely frozen. Man, that thing's gonna come down. Let's see. 953. Well, honestly, I think that's really, I mean, I don't know what else I would even be trying to shoot for. Maybe an hour closure back under here. That wouldn't be bad. A closure under. That is so ass, bro. Like that annoyed me in that Antonio voice. That annoyed me. That definitely annoyed me. Just because of the simple fact of it was frozen. And I'm looking at negative. I'm over here like, what is it doing? And it's just frozen completely. And then I see that thing started pushing down for 40, 50 pips. I took a 7 just because I had to get out.
I'm about to get like Tony and start shutting down at 10:15.
You say you are?
Mm-hmm.
Yup. Ain't nothing wrong with that.
Yeah.
Ain't nothing wrong with that. I'm gonna see what this closure look like at 10. I'm gonna just see what this closure looks like at 10. That's so This 30-minute candle closes back under. That's a maybe. But if it closes like this, I don't know about that.
Yeah, I see what you're looking at.
Yeah, like that and there. But now if it just hangs out in no man's land, it's like I don't know about that. And Daryl, how much you hit for on the 50? I'm holding for that 50.
We came out to like about what, 472.
Okay. On a 1.
Yeah. And I got it. I used the multiplier on, was it TRADECOPIA?
Yep.
Yeah.
Must be nice. And my TRADECOPIA just spazzed on me, bro. Like it just completely spazzed on me. That kind of pissed me off. It's all good, but dang. Roger, I'm liking that sell, man. Just to come on down into here. And I don't even need to use the break of this low. So we'll see. After these 5-minute candles then came up like this, if it can close back under there. Let's see what we can do. I still think that this is gonna fill this out, honestly. I'd rather catch an entry up closer up to here than here, but if this 5-minute keeps respecting it, then I don't know. Hmm. 25 seconds. The 1 hour candle's about to close bearish. 30-minute candle's about to close bearish. You got a candle that's respecting right here, 12 seconds. Kind of hang out in no man's land a little bit. Damn. Oh.
What the fuck?
Oh. Entry on the break of this high?
Man, what?
Entry on the break of the high, anticipating that if it flips up after closing above, it should go. But my screen moving over here. So this thing moving quick. So entry on the break of that high. After it done shot down, if it re-breaks its own high, it should go ahead and go up. Just based off of experience.
See, that would have been less than 10 seconds.
You gotta hold it. Let's see. What is going on? It ain't no news or nothing, is it? It just filled out this whole range, by the way. That's so crazy. But this candle respected over here. Anticipating that if this candle flips, I ain't looking for a lot, but looking for a little something on a re-break of its own high. And with all this bearish volume, you got to be careful anyway. These spreads are like 4 or 5 pips right now. So be careful. That's all I can say. Just be careful if you decide to take it. Still 5 pips, 4 pips, 5 pips. But after this just filled out the whole range, man, if it did come back up, it just came right into this support right here. So if it does re-break its own high with no top wick, right, you would think that it's gonna make a little move up. Now, how much? I don't know. But no top wick? Come on, man. How many times have we seen this play out?
And it perfectly tapped that support.
Perfectly tapped this support found on the 15-minute, the 30-minute, the 1 hour, all right here. So if it re-broke its own high, anticipating that it can come up to at least up into here for 35, 40. We'll see. Like I said, the spreads are kind of big right now. They're about 3-4 pips. So don't be worrisome if you get in and you see negative 30, 40, 50 real fast. Damn, man. It's all good. It's all good. The volatility in these markets right now is something. Oof. Did it re-break the high? anticipating the quick push, but like we be saying, we can't have it too quick. Man, I'm gonna go chill on the 5 minute just to see like this volume up close and personal. If it wants to go ahead and go. That's so annoying. Where's the daily low? I think we still pretty far from that. Oh yeah, we went hella far from that. Hella far. Not even playing that game right now. You know my famous words, Roger. This might be my last of the day. It's all I got. 1 hour candle opening after closing above. Coming right to these resistances. And by above, I mean, this is the 30-minute resistance right there. This candle closed above it. What do we know? Most candles have bottom wick, top and bottom wick. So this candle has no sort of top wick. I anticipate after we just came into all these lows right here, what happened every time we came into these lows? We came up, up. Let's see if it wants to do it. We got a new 5 minute candle opening in 30 seconds. I wouldn't mind if this candle kind of held up until that candle opened, but even if it doesn't, I still just like it based off of the 1 hour price action. And like Roger kind of be alluding to, I ain't really trying to see no more than about maybe minus 20, 25, maybe. Even in minus 30 is a little too much for me. Let's see, 10 seconds, 7 seconds, 5, 4. So new candle just opened. You can either use whatever stop or you can use this low. That's 38 pips. Enter on the break of this high, which is a 1 hour flipping. Let me see. Close.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Right, I'm in. Drag that down there just in case we want to be on some BS real fast. Oof. Oof. Give me that. Give me that.
Keep it going.
Let me start that over. Come on, man. Push up. Make this move up. It pushed right into this little 5 minute resistance that I'm not really worried about. Come on, man. Push up. Come on, man. Like I said, if it get ugly, I gotta just cut it. I seen like 20 or 15. Yeah, I seen like 15, but it happened so fast I couldn't do nothing with it. Damn, these spreads are fat right now.
Oh,
they're getting back normal though, 3 and 4. Give me the follow through, man. Make a top wick. The 1 hour. It should come up into here, bro. Come on. Push up. Up 15. Roger, it's happening so fast, bro.
It's bullshitting, bro. Come on. Go up.
Yes, and push. Come on. Come on. Push. Push. Push up. Up 10. I'm just going from up like 10 to down. Is it running into any issues? Hardly. Man, it made me want to go ahead and put my shit to minus like 20, 25 off the muscle. Just in case I want to have some stupid ass fall. All right, I just set mine to minus 25. All right, let's see. Come on. Come on. Push up. 15.
Let's go, 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 go,
20.
go.
Up 20.
Come on, keep going.
Keep going. Boom.
Order filled.
Boom.
Order filled.
Cool. Okay. Made my 300. Made my 300. There we go. There we go. There we go. Well, team, that was just a 1 hour reflip. Just a 1 hour reflip after this candle came all the way down, grabbed all these orders. This candle came respecting. I made 870 on this. Yeah. And
it's all right. It's a break-even day.
yeah. I'm annoyed. I'm just annoyed, bro. That's all I can say is just annoyed. I mean, like you said, it's a break even. It's a break even day. We'll just leave it at it. It's a break. It should have been a big profit day, but it's a break even day. And it could be worse. And looks like it just hit my what would have been stop profit. So, yep. Not bad. Not bad. Such BS, man. Such BS. I'm assuming you calling it there, Roger.
Good.
You say you good? You good? You want to fight? Oh, you should. I thought you said I'm good. Like I said, I made a little $7 over here. I lost a little 135. That's a break even day if I ever see one.
Like it would need to close like at under 39.78.9 area. Finish that wick.
Yeah, because right now we got this push, which was the rebreak of this. And how many was that? 45. I got 30 over here. I think I got 31 over here. So that's good. 31 over here. And 30 over here. Like I said, I feel like Tonio, that annoyed me. I just cannot believe that happened to me. So, I mean, I'm down 381 on my TRADECOPIA accounts on 150. And then down 215 on my 50K funding ticks account. I think the real move, though, is still down. Just because, like, all this was just the top wick. And that's what I anticipated it being. So all that was me just trying to take advantage of this top wick right here. In the anticipation that the 1 hour is still going to come down after the new top wick has been created. So I know I'll be zoomed in hella far, but if you see it, we really just in a range right now. Like that's all this really is, just a range. We ain't broken out of nothing yet. So in reality, the way that this candle came up and closed like this is the same way this candle is coming up. It can come down too. So let's see, 15-minute candle.
It looks like it's gonna close under that area I was talking about.
It because if you close under this here now at 10:15, then this 5-minute candle closes below as well. You should now have created a resistance, and like you said, if it closes below it, it should really go. Like, is it gonna get stopped up by these 5-minute candles? I think it should come on down to this again. Let's see what it closes like in 2 minutes. If I call it here at plus $7, then that's my day. But I do see what you're looking at. I promise you I do. Because you thinking after it done came up, made this, close now under this, it should kind of go ahead and fill this out like it did here.
Yeah, at least fill that wick.
Or most of it.
But the way it's acting now.
Yeah, if it's closed like this, nah. Damn sure. I mean, oof. It's funny though. If it closes like this, it look good to buy. Off of the 5-minute price action. If it closed above here. So once again, I know I'll be zoomed in, y'all, my fault. But if it closed above there, it should go ahead and fill this out. But like I said, you're getting real tight. I don't want to sell more so. We got 1 minute, 40 seconds. Let's see how this opens, bro. Let's just see how this opens. Because support is right here. That's still 50 to get to it. You're closing below everything, even on the 5. I don't hate that. It's kind of rejecting out of the 5 right now, but I'm gonna just see how this opens up for a wick fill, or filling most of the wick. Come on now. Come on up there, retest up into here. I need at least a 20, 25 pip top wick. The other option would be to enter right now and use this high, 80 pips away. Come on, give me more than that. Yeah, bro, that's 50 up here. I trust it. I think it's gonna go down. I just don't want to get in and they come up and make a higher high before coming down, and I just gotta sit in whatever pullback this may be. Because realistically, this can pull all the way up to here.
It's gonna go down.
I think so too. I just need an entry and a stop loss. You gonna try it? I need a top wick. Like I said, I'm break even on the day. I don't want to force nothing, but I think it's gonna fill this wick. I just want to catch an entry to be in it. So like, if you in right now, you would have seen that, and then you just hovering, looking at flips. I need to retest something, anything. Can't even make it up. This is a 11 pip top wick, 12 pip top wick. If it can re-break as high, I'll add the entry on the re-break up below. But if it doesn't and it drives, ID. Drives the drive. But it's not a bad move though. It's really not. You just see these such bigger top wicks though. Like, this is what I be looking for. You can even have an entry on. Well, you would want to have used that to your advantage. Where's Antonio? Playing around. Looking like it's gonna keep re-breaking and just inching on down. A lot of range left on this time frame. But now, is that too tight? If y'all were to get top. Re-break the high and let me make a decision. Brandon, what you looking like on today? I'm gonna push like 30. Said don't ask. Oh man. I hope. Oh damn, them the accounts you talking about. Oh, I'm good. On Friday.
Yeah, I don't know what's about to do.
Yeah, bro. I don't. Nah. Like it gave a little 30 right there, and that's the top wick I was looking for. But at this point, yeah, there's 30 more pips to fill on the wick if you want it. Man, you know what I'm looking for now, honestly? Now, I'm slick looking for a closure back above this to come up, since it already done filled this range. The same way I was looking for closures below it. If it closed back above it, I would anticipate it going in and filling this up. But in the grand scheme, like I said, I'd be hella zoomed in, y'all. Are we just ranging like a motherfucker? Like in reality. And we not doing nothing. So like to force shit isn't really what we have to do. Let's see how this closes. Roger, would you take this? Re-break, or is that just, that range is too little, isn't it?
Yeah, I was looking at it, but I was I was looking at it on the micro side.
Like, bro, you trying to like
jumping back up?
Yeah, like, what we doing? What we doing? Gotta show Wednesday on one of my listings.
Yeah, I don't see nothing 10:30. I'm over it.
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and hit my little stretch right now. Maybe go walk around and talk to my wife real quick. But if I get a closure back above here, I don't hate that, especially if this like closes respecting this again. But I don't really love what's going on right here, right now. Like, I don't like that, because this is a resistance too, and just, if I get a closure, but that's probably all I'm looking for. So we got 8 minutes, 50 seconds. But if I just got to call it a break-even day, I just got to call it a break-even day. To be honest.
I feel like it will fill that wick, the previous candle wick.
It might. It might. You say you minus 100 right now?
Nah, I'm up 100 now.
Oh, up 100 now. Bro, that's better than zero, bro. We've been here for an hour and a half, 2 hours, like near 2 hours.
Yeah, it's definitely gonna fill that wick.
Go ahead and take it.
It's just,
that's a perfect rejection. You got in on a micro?
Nah, I ain't get in.
We'll see. What was the entry? It was like,
see what I'm saying?
1 minute candle. It was like right there. So
see, that's the thing. Is it gonna be smooth?
That's that shit, man. That's that shit, bro. So the entry was like 3976.3 right there. So you don't really got a stop loss. 3976.3. You've seen about 7 or 8. You send -20. See, bro, I don't got time for it, bro. One thing I'm not gonna do is get caught in a range losing money. Down my little 135, I can take that on the chin. I can't take much more. Go ahead, Roger. Hop in that little 5.
I don't even like trading the 5s, to be honest. It's not really my.
Quick.
I've been losing too much when I trade on the 5.
Brandon, you make me laugh, bro. You know what I know it is? I know you lied it up on some dumb shit. You know, it's crazy though, Roger. Not lining up today, it felt good. It really felt good. Mm-hmm. Like, if you lose what you lose and you get it back or close to it, that's fine. Like, bro, I lost 300 and I made 290. Then I took that trade on the 5 minute, like we just talked about. So if I just would have avoided that one, it could have been plus 300 on the day. So it's all learning lessons, really. I mean, you always learning. But it's just like, bro, that when your palms get sweaty and shit, you like, man. I'm not trying to see no drawdown if I light up. And then that move I took on that break of that high, I was playing around. I'm like, man, come on now. I seen that minus, I think it was like 15 or minus 12, 13. I was like, come on now.
Yeah, I should have held on the other trade, but I started seeing
that 16.
I started seeing it dancing. I'm like, yeah, let me just get what I got.
Take my money and go. That's what you got to commit to, though. If you gonna say it, you got to say shit. I'm gonna see it dancing. I got to get out. It is what it is. It is what it is. I'm pissed that my chart froze, bro. It froze completely. Like, I wish I could message him or something. That shit just froze on me completely, and I could have been happily done for the day after that move, because that shit played out plus 30. No, I played out plus 50. That was the one that ran for 50. That Daryl caught. I caught 30 on it, or 20. I closed out at 31 and gave me 29 or whatever. Okay. They can close above this, bro. On a 30-minute candle. Filling this wick would already be 30, 40, 30. Closing above on every time frame. Even the 5. Run off too much now. I hate when this happens. What are we doing? No bottom wick just running off for 50. And that's what I be talking about. I'm like, bro, that happened in 1 minute. And I want that same love. Now we getting close to throwing this one. Just has to pull back for me now to enter.
Yeah, look good on the 30. 15, all of it, really.
What'd you say?
I said, look good on all time frames.
Yeah, I'm wondering if this resistance is going to respect again. Or is it just going to go ahead and fill pretty much all this? But it looks good, though. It looks good. And if it closes like this and I got a bottom wig, I'll try my hand. 2 minutes, 50 seconds. But no, I'm serious, though. That's all I got. Stream over with after that.
I can get a 30 piece, I'll be good. I'll reach my 1,000.
Please, bro. Like I said, one thing I always say, I don't want to beg shit. Little host. Begging. But I was damn near begging on that. On this one, I was like, bro, come on. We were seeing plus 15 drop. I'm like, what are we doing? How much you make on that one again? That was for 16?
The one just now?
The one just now, yeah.
100.
Oh, you only took 10?
Yeah.
Not being scary.
Well, nah, I was down 100 something. Let me see.
So you made 20.
Yeah.
Yeah, you made 20.
Yeah.
Okay, I can respect 20. 10, I'm like, all right now.
I thought you meant like
shit.
my account.
Yeah. 1 minute, 40 seconds. If it can close above this, it'd be great. If it closed above just up here, that'd be fine. But I really want to go ahead and close above all this shit. Give a wick down, preferably to down here. And I would anticipate that it can come on up into this resistance right here, which is not far, but volume should take us on. Volume should really take us up into here. But we'll see. They can close right here. Bottom wick down to retest. 1 minute.
If I do get in hit my stop loss, that's just negative 200 for the day. I like that better.
Exactly. That's where I'm
negative
like,
6
I'll
and
take that.
Shit.
I'll take that. Because if you win in 3 and 4 and 5, and you lose in 2, it's not a day by day game. But bro, you gotta think, bro. Like we gonna be here the next day, and the next day, and the next day, and the next day. So it's not really that big of a deal. As long as your account's still in order, you good. Let's see, a 30-minute candle's about to close. If this candle closes with no top wick and this opens up with no bottom wick, well, best believe I'm gonna take it. This just filled the whole range, right? And I be, like I said, I know I be worrisome, but this resistance is right here, and this resistance is right here. That's tight.
You do it on if it goes and give you a wick. You do on the previous candle.
Talking about what? This entry right here?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you got a 1 hour resistance right there.
We're on the 15 I was looking at.
Yeah, you got a 1 hour resistance right there. It just filled that whole thing that I was trying to take advantage of. I was like, if I close right here, I'm good. I really think it's about to come down. That's what I really think it's about to do. Especially with this little ass bottom wick. I think it's about to come down. We'll see. Because what is this? 1 hour resistance, 30-minute opening up, 15-minute. Was that the day, chat? I swear I like that sell though. No lie. Just based off of like what happened when we rejected this last time. Granted, pushed up. Do I throw my hand at that daily high again? Brandon might be on YOLO mode. He might say, this account close to blown. I might as well try to get it all now.
Damn, man. Shoulda, coulda, woulda.
This 5 minute pushing as much as it did blew me. This is a new 30-minute opening with no bottom wick, bro. Like, what are we doing? The daily high is right here. Arrow. Right here. If I get in, I slick want to take me a little 1. No lie. So let's see. I'm going to try it. 39.97. And I'm going to go lower risk. I'm only throwing a 1 on my personal account if I get in. That's all I can throw over here, though. It's still 50 pips away from it. I'm not going for the gusto or nothing. Just it'd be nice to make a little 20, 25, man, really 30, hell, 30, 35. You called it though. Like I said, I be utilizing the same resistances that I've like still had. So like when it closed that close to it, I was like, is it gonna just reject? But if you just look at the 15-minute only, you'll see like it came right up into where you thought it was gonna come up into. If it broke this high to come up into here. And if this 5-minute close is hella weak bearish, I might go with my original idea of trying to catch this sell down into here, because I really think that if it re-breaks its own low, it's going to come down to make a bottom wick the same way that this candle had to make a top wick. So I'm open to both ideas as always. But as mentioned, I ain't trying to be here too long, bro. I'll take a break-even day. That's a good day in my book. You could have lost. But if I can go ahead and sneak out that last little bit, that'd be great. I only got a 1 running, so it ain't like I got hella risk on the table. If I see minus 20, minus 25, I'll cut minus 250. Ain't no big deal. So 10 seconds until this candle closes. Bruh, this looks so good to come down based off of where it closed and where it's rejecting. Got no topic on the 5-minute. I don't like that. But man, right into here, that's 32, 33. Down into here, that's 50. This 5-minute got a top wick. If this breaks this low, which will be the 30-minute breaking its own low after no top wick, man, I gotta go off of what I've been seeing lately, bro. I gotta test it. So I'm actually switching my bias up. If it gets down close to there, I'm gonna have a sell stop on a re-break of the 30-minute low. If you don't understand it, like I always say, don't take it. But it's just 30-minute candle close to this resistance. It's not rejecting out of this resistance. This candle is have a 4 or 5 pip bottom wick. I'm not trying to catch the whole thing, but we're getting close to the daily highs again. So it wouldn't be outlandish to make a bit of a bottom wick. And like I said, I'm only using a very small stop loss if I were to take it. The technical stop, I guess you can say, like, it can be based off of this 5-minute candle right here for like 30, 35, 36 pips. Something like that. Just going off of what I've been seeing. $30-minute candle, potentially creating a low. Let's see. Bro, what the hell is wrong with my... Man, I'm about to get mad at TRADECOPIA. It keeps freezing on me. Can't even do nothing. It's completely frozen. What we doing? It's about to make me mad, man. Damn. So I guess we over here with it today. Come on, man. Log out and log back in.
Order filled.
Okay, I'm in that. Of course, pull back. Minus 10. Like I said, if it gets like minus 20, I'll probably just cut it. But that's just a re-break of the 30-minute low. Oof.
Order filled.
Yeah, I just cut it. I just cut it. Minus 19. It could still come down. I still like it. I could even re-enter on a re-break of the current 5-minute lows after this candle closes. But the real stop is, like I said, for 35 up here. So, oof, boy, they not playing. It wick me. But if this 5-minute candle closes bearish, back under here, I still like the idea. Stupid, bro. Why is it? Why is it? Damn. $20 seconds. It didn't even break the low over here for me. $10 seconds. I might re-add it. If it closes back below. If it doesn't, yeah, 5-minute close. So if it breaks the low again, I would re-enter it. It's gonna be my first time entering over here. Once again, anticipating 30-minute candle just to make a bottom wick. If it breaks this high, probably just call the stream. But if it respects this high, then comes down, should be good to go. Brandon, you so funny, bro. I agree. I completely agree. All right. Looks like it's going. Oh, he's pushing up. Pushing up. Once again, the daily high is 39.97. I said I was done, but if that plays, I gotta try my hand at that. It's just my trade strategy. I'm gonna set my buy stop on the break of the. Well, I closed. I was looking at the break of the daily high, which is once again great. 39.97. Well, the way that these candles are just going up and down. So funny. Brandon, it's crazy. I think I had my sell stop a little high. It got me in on the spread, but it never broke this low. It's crazy. You would think that one little pip shouldn't be the difference, but got me in on that little weak ass spread. 1 minute. 40 seconds. One minute.
Going for the daily high.
Potentially. Especially if they close like this. This would be man. It's annoying because if it closes like this, you really only gotta wait on a break of the daily high. Like it's closing above. You can use that day. You can use that to your advantage, or you could just say, "Oh, never mind." It didn't close above. So yeah, daily high. If it gets up there. If it gets up there, it didn't close above right there. 39.97 is the daily high.
Tells me, bro, if it does not go straight into profit, I'm playing off.
That's it.
Promise you.
Roger voice.
It's flattening off,
bro. I'm halfway nervous about it. Man, just give me a 50 ball, bro. This is also another Tonio play. If it start breaking up like this and coming down and making another low, this is also the Tonio play. I don't know how he be doing it, man. There we go. There we go. 15 at quit. Good joke. Then you got to decide if you want to take profit at that 15 or if you trying to catch this 30 down into here or further.
See, 15 good for him though, because he do 25K accounts.
Yeah, but I mean, it's one of those things where it's like that 15 comes within 10 seconds sometimes, and you got to hold, and that's what messed him up.
Yeah, we'll come back down. That shit over with. Day over with.
Yep. A re-break of its own low. 24, 25, 23, 24, 25. And then it's probably gonna go ahead and fill out this 30. If it re-breaks this, it should fill all this out. He said sweating.
This shit just stuck. Like, damn.
Ain't doing nothing. Ain't doing a damn thing. I'm still over here looking at this 30-minute, bruh. Break of the low again. No bottom wick on the 5. Man. This shit just got close as hell to daily highs. I really think this shit is about to come down, man. I want to trust my gut on the re-break of the low. Just trying my hand. Like I said, whoever don't understand why, don't. But we just rejected out of these highs of the day. Close under these highs. Close under this. We're getting close as hell to the daily high. Like, and we're bearish on the day because this previous candle closed bearish. So if it re-breaks this weak 30-minute low that doesn't have a bottom wick, you cannot tell me that this shit should not come down. Yeah, that's so crazy that this got me in on the spread. You should not tell me that this shouldn't come down and make a bottom wick. And I will, in fact, be done if it doesn't. Like I said, I'm only down 130 on my personal, which is basically break even. The only thing that's stopping this right now potentially is this 5-minute not having a bottom wick, which is, but we getting close as hell to the 1 hour candle ending to 10:51. So candles usually pull back for that last little bit of the 1 hour. You have a 1 hour resistance right there. Resistance. This candle is just plummeting down. We'll see, man. We'll see. Like I said, I ain't really married to the money. Like I don't care. I'm just going off of what I've seen, my experience. So I'm only using one lot. Alrighty, 5 minutes. Roger, how many times we said it's over with? Too many of this. That thing flipped me in right now.
If it wants to do it, it needs to do it.
I don't know.
That's the only thing I don't be liking, bro.
I don't know. Like I said, the way it's just respecting this same little support right here is blowing the hell out of me. Like, why are we not coming down and creating a larger bottom wick on something that has a profit? And it's closing right at a resistance. What did it do every time? Fell the hell out. So even if it happens at 11, I think it's gonna happen. But it's just like, I'm trying to be gone, bro. I ain't trying to.
12:15, 12:30.
What you mean 12, 15, 12?
Range game.
Bro, my shit stopped on me 2 times. Thankfully, like I said, the last time it saved me. This is just blowing me, man. All right, little 5 minute. If it does come down, I don't want no games, bro. There's only 4 minutes left in the damn candle.
If it comes down, it should touch that support.
That's what I'm looking at off the 30.
Yeah.
Right there.
Yep.
And I just want 30 of that. So I don't even need the full 50. I just want 25, 30. Oh, there we go. Okay. All right. It's close.
Order filled.
Stop filled.
Come on, man. Do me right. Don't play around. What are we doing? Calm down. What I say? I ain't begging. I ain't begging. You're not hitting nothing. Where's my HP? All right. It's not much time left in this 1 hour candle, Roger. If I see something I like, knowing me, bro, I'm gonna just probably take it and call it after this stupid ass. Come on, man. Come down. Because I'm really not trying to be in with this new 1 hour candle opening, because if the new 1 hour candle opens, it could come down and make a bottom, but it also could fly straight the hell up with no top, no bottom wick. Trying to like trust that this is gonna do what it needs to do. Well, if it flips on me, I'm out. If it flips on me, I'm out. If I see 27 or something like that, then I think I'm just out. 39.90. Because if it flips, it's probably gonna go up. If it flips, then I'm out. 39.90.6 is where my stop is. For now. It's holding it though. The real stop is really to really go all up here. And I'm just not trying to sit in that, honestly. I'm still in. You still holding it?
I had cut out, but I just put it back to see what's going on.
Yeah. It's back to around break even. I don't know why this spread is so bad over here. Like I said, I have it on the flip right there.
But at 1 hour though, so it's like, damn, is it worth it?
Yeah, exactly. I mean, a 30 minute is still gonna close bearish though, like that. Now you could do an entry on a break of that low after a new top wick. Let's see, I got 1 minute. If I see some like small profits, I'll probably just cut it. I think it should still go. Come on, man, push down. There's nothing in the way, man. That's what I be saying. A new 1 hour is opening in 30 seconds. New 1 hour opening in 30 seconds. So is it gonna go straight down, or is it gonna open up with a new top. Let's see, 10 seconds. I'm gonna be quick with this trigger finger, whatever I want to do. 3 seconds. Alright. It's looking like it's gonna come straight down first. Oops, flipping up. Might have been a good idea to cut it. What are we doing? If it breaks this low, it should go though, man. Come on, don't do me wrong like that. This should really go all the way up here. I just can't do it. And I'm not doing it. Re-break this low, please. And come down. If it re-breaks its own high, bro, it's about to hit that stop loss. It already done came up to 3990.1. So if it re-breaks this low, it should be actually good to go down. Come on, man. This is way too long. Man. Yep. It's probably about to hit that full stop. Which is the... Like I said, where I really should have the stop is way up here. But I'm not sitting in that type of drawdown right now. Yep, about to hit my full stop. It's 5 pips away.
Order filled.
Stop filled.
From break even. Third time this Brandon. Bro, you could not make that up. 39, 26, 39. That's so annoying. But yeah, it's all good. Like I said, it's a small loss in the grand scheme of things. And then, of course, this 1 hour candle wants to come down with no bottom wick. But all right, y'all, I'm gonna call it because I don't want to revenge nothing. But this likely is gonna come down whenever it comes down and flips and breaks this low. I just don't want to keep playing the same damn game. So I'll let y'all know if I'm streaming tomorrow. I'll let y'all know. I'm not sure.
All right, bro.
But I will definitely let y'all know. I'll be on though.